You won't believe how much you can see in Albania for just 40 euros a day. Hey everyone, glad you're joining us again.
We are SuprAash. We believe the best way to see the world is one slow step at a time.
Today's footprint, the most budget-friendly country in Europe, Albania.
We took a direct flight from Belgium to Albania.
We are in Tirana and today we are going to first explore Tirana and then go on to Berat and then go to Sarandi.
It's going to be quite an eventful day, so stay tuned and follow along in our footprints.
Right now we are at Skanderbeg Square and behind us you can see the statue of Skanderbeg.
Skanderbeg is the 15th century hero who fought against the Ottoman Empire.
So that explains why his statue is here in the heart of the city of Tirana.
As you see behind us, Skanderbeg Square is a quite massive open public space.
It's not like the usual square what we see in Europe, which is quite small, but here it's a very huge place, so it's also called the public living room.
That you are Rachka Puri and Rita. Beautiful Rita.
Thank
Mera jutai Japani nanarina Hindustani nanani.
Wow.
Too much greetings to India. I love your country so much. You
Thank
have
you.
very nice story, very nice culture, very nice people. Not just by films, but I have read. My parents both were teachers. And for reason I am grew up with books.
Okay.
In my profession, I was advocate. Now I don't work. I am old now. When you shall come back in India, please greetings and hugs from me.
Sure.
Yeah,
Thank you.
because
so much.
really you are special.
Thank
You
you.
are special.
Thank you so
And
much.
thank you for your smile and for your good sense you
Thank
have.
you. Thank you so
Welcome.
much.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So when we were just shooting, a lady just walked towards us and she just started talking about the life of her. She told a lot of things about India. It was really sweet of her because she just came to us and she was telling, yeah, it's raining, please cover your head. And it was really a very nice encounter with someone local talking over here.
The building you see here looks like it's a face of a person. Quite interesting architecture you have in Tirana. You have a small clock tower over here. And of course, the hero of Tirana, Skanderbeg. And then you have another building over here which is stacked one on top of the other like Jenga blocks. From the chaotic charm of the capital, we've now come to the city of 1,000 windows. This is Berat.
Right behind us, you can see 1,000 windows. It's not literally 1,000 windows, but since the houses are stacked vertically, it gives an illusion to have 1,000 windows. And this is one of the most Instagrammable spot as well. This city is known as 1,000 windows because there is an Albanian phrase which was misunderstood, and that's why where this line actually comes from. It took us 1.5 hours from Tirana to come over to Berat. But since it was raining continuously, we took a break, we had some food, and finally we are here trying to see around some places in Berat. But it was a very good decision because the sun has set and you can see the lights are on, and this makes this town even more beautiful and pretty.
Sup is enjoying looking out into the stream, the cool breeze. And if you as well like such slow travel videos, then do subscribe to our channel, because we don't just check off places on our list. We actually take time to enjoy and get a feel of the place. We actually found a great guided tour on Get Your Guide for Berat. If you're driving like us but still want to get the history and culture of Berat, then we do recommend booking through Get Your Guide. We'll leave a link in the description down below. We finished spending some time in Berat and now we're going to be heading towards Sarande. The drive from here, it's going to be 3 hours and we are well past our schedule. We are going to be late reaching Sarande, but it is what it is.
If you thought Berat was stunning, then wait for our next video where you will see the beautiful Kasamil.
Yeah, I'm back in Berat because we enjoyed the view so much that day, but because of the rain we could not fully enjoy it. We wanted to have another look, especially during the sun. It looks completely different. This is another spot that you can come to enjoy the view of the 1,000 windows. You cross the bridge that you see behind us and you get a whole view from the Gorica quarter to the Maglam quarter, and you enjoy the 1,000 windows as well.
But personally, I like the Gorica Bridge itself because that actually looks pretty. This is like a normal bridge, but the view here is of course better. We are reaching Gorica Bridge. As you can see, it's beautiful. Why it's beautiful? I guess because it's made of stones and it also gives a little bit of medieval feeling over here. I think Berat is all about that. Many places we get to see those medieval feeling. It's like as if time has just paused over in this city. You will see more to it in the old town where we are heading to. We have reached the old town. It was quite a uphill of walk. For the people who don't know, Berat is also UNESCO World Heritage Site. You can see over here, everything is made of stones and it goes back to 6th century BC. So it's pretty old town which is still maintained.
It's not just beautiful, it's also ancient. It has its origins from the Ottoman Empire. One of the most interesting facts about Albania is that you have multiple religions coexisting peacefully over here. I think Albania can be treated as an example country of how the whole world needs to live, in peace, harmony, without any religious conflicts, without any conflicts of any kind, let's say.
Albania is a secular country where both mosques and churches coexist in the same neighborhood.
As always, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share,
Because sharing is caring.
and subscribe to our channel if you already haven't done so. We'll see you in the next footprint. Bye.